Alright guys, back at the shop again. Another quick one with our good friend, our 2018 Freedom Elite. Still brand new, still under a factory warranty. Again, something simple always turns into something difficult. So all we had was this insert trim right here. So the owner just brought it to me because this insert molding right here kept falling out of the corner because the factory put it under way too much tension when they put it on. I don't know if they put it on warm and they stretched it, and then when it gets cold it would shrink and contract. So all I did was I took it all back out, cleaned it out, I moved this up from being wrapped around and terminated it there. That saved at least an inch. And then of course you can see right here I put a screw right there. On a side note, this is not brown, this is not tan, this is not beige, this is a grayish brown tan, and nobody sells this. You have to order it straight from the factory. Good job guys, thanks for making life so much better for everybody. And then pretty much backed it off up at the top too. But when I tried that on the driver's side, I found a little problem with the front cap. Just the front cap on the driver's side of this Freedom Class C. This is the front cap right here. And it looks like it's just cut a little too short because it terminates before the molding. So I can actually just lift up the front cap right there. And the whole thing's pretty loose. And it goes down to at least this point here, but without taking this molding off, I don't know how much further it goes. It looks like the sealant used to be about right there, so the whole thing shifted a little bit. So this might have just been barely underneath the cap or the molding at one time, but when it shifted, it popped loose. I'm just going to throw a couple screws right here, put some sealant underneath so that it's at least sealed for any rain that we might be getting. So I'm just going to go ahead and climb up on the roof and kind of see what I did. Hey, those are some good looking solar panels. One day I'll make that video. And also that's where a screw used to be. Still not there. It's not damaged, so that was a good find. So up here on the roof, I ran a screw here and a screw there. I think a screw there, and I sealed it up. That's what the customer asked me to do because that's what the factory asked me to do. So it's a lot more secured. You can kind of see it's still loose right there, but he has an appointment in June to get this whole front cap replaced. That's a pretty big piece of the motorhome to get replaced on a brand new motorhome. Alright guys, so that was just a quick little video showing another issue my customer had with this brand new motorhome. I don't know why simple jobs always are so simple for me, or not simple, but I just could not let it go like that. I found that issue when I was doing the other side. Thanks a lot.